Okay, guys, just wanted to take a few minutes to show you some withdrawal proof from Xsinergia and also give you a blueprint on how you can turn $115, as little as $115, into $20,000 in 12 weeks. So I'm in the back office of Xsinergia right now. I'm in the user sales report. Just want to show you the date that I started. Here's the date that I started. I just did a $115 package to show you guys what's possible. I'll be upgrading to the 1,000 here within the next 24 hours. But started with 100 bucks, and this is the date. So it was September 25th, and that was 6 days ago. Today's date is October 1st. So what I want to do is just show you proof of the withdrawal. So let's go to the, let's see, we're going to go to wallet and then withdrawal request. And you can see that I have no pending withdrawals because Friday was the day that we could take a withdrawal. We can withdraw on Friday. So Friday was the, switch the date here. Friday was the 6th, I'm sorry, the 27th of September. Today is the 1st of October. So I requested to withdraw the 27th, and it was paid out today, which is Tuesday. We generally get paid within 3 days of the withdrawal request. So generally by the following Wednesday is when we get paid. So here's the payout confirmed. I had requested about 50 bucks. There is a transaction fee of just 6%, and you can see that it was paid out and it was released. The requested date was here on the 27th, as I said, and I received these funds in my blockchain wallet today. So just want to let you guys know that the program does pay. And I believe to validate that, we can go to member management. No, we're not going to go there. We're going to go to report. And then we're going to go to user activity report and click view all. And if I go down here, this gives you all the login, all the information that you need, everything that you've done in your back office. So they really keep track of what you're doing here. And here you go. You'll see that the payout was requested on the 27th. And I did receive those funds in my Bitcoin wallet today. So let's get into the good stuff. How do you make $20,000 in as little as 12 weeks with just 2 referrals and $115 out of pocket? Real simple. Refer 2 people in your first 7 days in the business that join at the $115 level, and teach them to do the same. If that duplicates over 12 weeks, number one, the worst case scenario is that you'll join for 115, never refer anyone, and you're going to get paid every weekday, Monday through Friday, until you receive double your money. Your net return, if you do nothing, is going to be $173, or any way you want to look at it, it's your money back, or another way to look at it is your money back plus at least 50% more. Now, I'm giving you the levels here just to show you the math and the proof. You can do this yourself on the calculator and verify my numbers and prove that this will work. If you would exchange the word level for a week, it's the same thing. I'm just telling you where these people would technically be on your level and your downline. But essentially, this would be or could be exchanged for weeks. So week 1, you get 2 people. Week 2, those 2 get 2, you're at 4. Week 3, those 4 get 2, you get 8, and so on through the entire 12 weeks. So if you look at my numbers through 12 weeks, at the end of 12 weeks, you'd have 4,096 people in your organization. In Xsinergia, we do get paid 100% credit, so there's no points or BVCV or anything like that. So if you take the total amount in your group times $100, this is the figure you get. Divide that by 2 because this is a binary. And you're going to end up with $200,480 on each side. We get 10% commission on a lesser leg. No games here. You don't have to have a higher package or anything like that, like a lot of other companies, to get paid the 10% on your weaker leg. Here, you're going to get 10% on your weaker leg, and it's 10% of this amount, which would be $20,480. Again, all you ever had to do in this program, join with the $115, refer 2 people at the same level or higher within your first 7 days, help them do the same. When that duplicates, you're looking at over $20,000 in commission. So, folks, it's really that simple. If you've not joined us yet in Xsinergia, I highly suggest that you do. Grab a spot. Worst case scenarios, you're going to end up with double your money in a short period of time without doing anything. I didn't mean to go to my genealogy there, but did want to give you an idea. Again, I've been in the program since for about a week or so here now. Let's go back to the date here. Matter of fact, let's go look and just show you when I started. So we're going to go to member management. We're going to go to order history. And I started off here. You'll see first order was September 25th. That's when I ordered this first 115 package. So that is, if we go back on the calendar here, Wednesday. So almost 7 days. Wednesday we won't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in the business. And you can see kind of where our group is so far. We're just getting started and getting ready to build. We're going after that 20,000 in 12 weeks. And again, back to the genealogy, but see, I've got about 63 members here, 20 on the left, 43 on the right, and we are rocking and rolling. About $374 in about 6 days is not bad, starting with 115 out of pocket. So I highly encourage you to get back to the person that referred you to this video, get started on your path towards an extra $20,000, or at a bare minimum, double your money in a very short period of time with no effort on your part with Xsinergia. Thanks for listening and have a blessed day.